Thank you, sir, for your introductory speech covering all the aspects of the International E-Conference. Now, may I call upon respected Principal Dr. J.S. Dargad, sir, to deliver the welcome address. Dr. J.S. Dargad.
Good morning. President of today's inaugural function, Honorable Lakshmi Ramanji Lahoti, the President of our institute, Chief Guest, Professor Dr. V. Berende from North University, Balamere, Romania, the keynote speaker, Professor Dr. M. Mursolin, an eminent mathematician from Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh. Our special invitees, Honorable Sri Rameshji Biyani, Secretary of Dayanand Education Society, Latur, Sri Surajji Jain, Joint Secretary of Dayanand Education Society, Latur, the young enthusiastic convener of this conference, Dr. Siddeshwar Bellade, Organizing Secretary, Dr. Rohini Shinde Madam, distinguished resource persons of this international conference, all the participating eminent mathematician, scholars, participants from different corners of India and abroad, students, my colleagues, journalists, ladies and gentlemen. I am delighted and honored to have this opportunity to welcome all of you to this International E-Conference on Nonlinear Analysis and its applications, organized online by our institute. I feel extremely happy today, and it's a great pleasure and honor to Dayanand Science College, Latur, to host and organize this virtual international event by our institute. Indeed, today, we are privileged and honored this morning by the gracious presence of our Honorable President, Sri Lakshmi Ramanji Lahoti, Secretary Rameshji Biyani, and Joint Secretary Sri Surajji Jain. I express my deep gratitude to all of you for joining over here, gracing this event, and inaugurating this 3 days international conference on mathematical analysis and applications. I also acknowledge here that your continuous generous support and encouragement is always with us. I am highly delighted and respectfully welcome to our chief guest, Professor Dr. V. Berende from Romania, and the keynote speaker, Professor Dr. M. Mursolin from Aligarh Muslim University, India. And I also express my deep gratitude to both of you, sir, for finding your valuable time to be with us in this online e-conference. I also extend a warm welcome to the distinguished invited guests, the resource persons, and all the participants from different colleges and universities of India and abroad. In particular, I would like to extend my warm welcome and gratitude to the overseas distinguished guests joining this online international mathematics conference. Friends, Dayanand Science College was established in 1961 under the umbrella of Dayanand Education Society, and now has grown from a humble beginning to a glorious destination today in its 59th year of establishment, and aiming to scale greater heights in the field of science education, research, performing arts, sports, and many extension activities. I am proud to say here that our college is the pioneer in the development of so-called Latur pattern of education in the state of Maharashtra. The college has received A grade in the NAAC re-accreditation process. The college has been awarded an unique status of college with potential for excellence by University Grant Commission, New Delhi. The college has also received Best College and Best Principal Award from our parent university and the prestigious Shahu Phule Ambedkar Award from the government of Maharashtra. Our college also received recognition and fund from Department of Science and Technology, New Delhi, under Fund for Improvement of Science and Technology, that is DST FIST scheme. Recently also our college has been granted rupees 2 crore from MHRD RUSA for infrastructural developments. And here I am proud to say that in our university, our is the only one private aided college to receive such a 2 crore grant from RUSA. Up till now, the college has organized number of seminars, conferences, workshops, short-term courses, training programs, refresher courses, orientation courses, inspire science camps, etc. of national and international levels. But today's conference is very meaningful and special event for our institute, as it is the first ever international virtual event being organized by our institute. This conference aims at bringing together experts and young researchers in the field of mathematics from all over the world to discuss the latest advances in nonlinear analysis and its applications, and promoting the exchange of ideas in various applications. As we know that the great mathematician Pythagoras believed that mathematics held the key to the beauty and philosophy. It is said that mathematics is the cradle of all creations, without which the world cannot move an inch. Be it a cook or a farmer, a carpenter or a mechanic, a shopkeeper or a doctor, an engineer or a scientist, a musician or a magician, everyone needs mathematics in their day-to-day life. Even insects also use mathematics in their everyday life for their existence. Snails makes their shells, spider design their webs, and bees build hexagonal combs. There are countless examples of mathematical patterns in the nature's fabric. Anyone can be a good mathematician if one is given proper guidance and training in the formative period of one's life. So, in this light, let us realize and appreciate the beauty of this subject and embrace it with all our heart. So here, I believe this conference will build and strengthen on nourishing high-order thinking skills and conceptual understanding of mathematics among students, young researchers, mathematical innovators, college teachers, university professors, academia and science communicators to share their latest research findings and encourage more action among them. This conference will also encourage international collaboration, and it will also provide a platform in building and strengthening everlasting relationship among the fraternity of like-minded researchers for the benefit of the society. I wish the mathematical community to grow with humility and quality. I hope the sharing and discussions in the next 3 days will be fruitful, rewarding and stimulating to one and all here. I wish all our resource persons and participants an enjoyable time in the conference and bring pleasant memories with you. I wish you all a comfortable online stay here and every success in achieving your desired aims by attendance through this conference. I hope this conference will be a vibrant, productive, inspirable motivable and memorable to all of us. Finally, once again, I welcome all of you and I wish a grand success for this 3 days international conference. Thank you very much.